Welcome back. This is the front end, and I've just got the new drive shafts, which look like that. So just going to see if they'll fit in here. So drive shafts popped in all right. Just connected up. I've got a couple of cells there just to set the steering, which I've done, and the toe, and make sure the motor works. And now I can put that in and work out where the battery needs to go. This sort of speed control. Do a little bit of trimming to make sure the wheels didn't rub. They seem pretty clear now. I'm not sure what it's going to be like with the lock diff. Wheel spin. So that is back together and on its wheels. Now it's all stuck. You can just see the receiver in there. There is a 2-cell shorty hard pack in there. Let's see how it goes.